Here we are with a new video. Before we move on to the video, please subscribe our channel to get latest updates at the earliest. Let's move to the video. This video contains a lot of context. I'm sure any one of them will definitely suit your passion. So please watch until the video ends. First is name and logo contest for promoting SHG products by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Let's see what is SHG. SHG means self-help groups. More details are provided in the contest website. So you can go through that. There are a few more contests to explain. So I am not explaining about it in details in order to reduce the size of the video. Let's see the prize. The winning entry will receive 51,000 rupees. So please go through the terms and conditions also. The suggested name should be in Hindi or Sanskrit. Next is design a logo for commemoration of 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. The selected winner will be awarded cash prize of 10,000 rupees. Anyone who is an Indian can submit the entry. The participant must upload the soft copy in JPG or PNG format of their logo design in A3 size paper on contest page of My Government portal. The winner will be notified through the email address they provided along with submission. The deadline of registration is January 20th. Next is article writing competition. Think India is organizing 18th National Article Writing Competition. Students, research scholars, academicians, and professionals from all across the country can participate in it. Articles are invited on the theme Indian Republic at 72. Participants can choose either of these sub-themes. E-certificates will be provided to all the participants. The best three entries will get 1,000 rupees each along with e-certificate of merit. The submission deadline is 31st January. There are some submission guidelines. You can read it in their PDF. I'll give it in the description. Next is Online Agri India Hackathon by ICAR IARI. Agri India Hackathon is the largest virtual gathering to create dialogues and accelerate innovations in agriculture. The best 24 innovations from different focus area will be awarded a cash prize of 1 lakh each. The winning innovations will get an exclusive preference for incubation support, pre-seed and seed stage funding of 5 lakhs and 25 lakhs respectively. All the submitted applications will be reviewed by evaluators under different focus areas. The last date to apply is 20th January. Used by St. Stephen's College, New Delhi. Prometheus is the one of the oldest events which comprises of various types of questions from connects to fill in the blanks to brain stimulating challenging questions where one will have to work out the answers solely by using the clues provided in the question. There are two rounds, prelims and finals. Prelims is on 6th February and finals is on 30th February. Individuals and a team of two can participate. This event is for undergraduate students and school students from classes 11th and 12th. Next is National Online Quiz Competition. It's a three-round national quiz competition by Punjab University. The quiz is on January 26th. The theme is Republic Day of India. This competition is open to all the students pursuing a UG, PG degree and for school students. The subjects covered in this quiz will be Freedom Struggle of India, Freedom Fighters of India, Republic Day, History of Indian Constitution and Constituent Assembly, etc. There will be no negative marking. The winners will get cash prizes and certificate of merit. All the participants will get certificate of participation. So all the links of each contest mentioned in this video is provided in the description. I will provide the time slots in description for easy watching so that you can skip other contest details and focus on what really matters to you.